we go here.
Yes, sir.
It's from Lazio school. Only follow the application.
Yes.
Okay. 잠깐만.
여보, 오늘 몇 시에 들어와요?
오후로 7시?
그래요? 오늘 친구를 좀 만나려고 하는데
그래요. 그러면 저녁 식사를 바꿔서 갈게.
괜찮아요?
있잖아. 누구 만나려고?
아, 수진이 알죠? 수진이랑 오랜만에 같이 저녁 식사하려고요.
알아. 그러면 맛있는 거 먹고.
네, 여보. 이따가 봐요.
네. Do you watch K-drama?
Yeah.
You watching? Filipino love to watch K-drama. Why?
Super.
Why? Yeah, why?
I really don't know, but I think it's the reason is most Filipinos are hopeless romantic. They want romantic vibes.
Oh yeah. We have a good scriptwriter.
Yeah, you
Scriptwriter.
have.
Yeah, we have a good.
Yes.
And you speak a little. 조금 you speak Korean a little?
I only know little, like 안녕하세요.
Oh yeah, very
괜찮아.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
very basic.
Yeah, very basic.
Me, salamat po.
Oh,
Kamusta po? Right? Kamusta po?
yeah.
Right.
Always po.
Yes.
Always po. Yeah. Respect, right? Respect. Po? Always po, right?
Po.
And you 학생이에요. You student.
Yeah.
Where you studying? Where?
TUP.
TUP?
Yes.
Not PUP.
No.
Oh, TUP. Oh yeah,
Yes.
TUP.
Are you
Call-
been to PUP?
Yeah, PUP. Yeah. Sometimes you pick up passenger. PUP. Yeah. UST.
UST.
Adamson.
Adamson.
UST.
So you've been here in TAP a lot.
Here.
Yes.
Just here. Around here.
Around.
Driving around here. And what program you study?
We were studying civil engineering.
Oh, civil. And first, second, third,
No, 5th year.
fifth year.
Yes.
Wow. How many years study civil engineering?
Usually it takes 4 to 5 years, but we were a regular student.
And you're close to graduation.
Yes.
We hope we graduate next
And-
year.
This year?
No, next year.
Next year.
Next year summer.
And there's a exam like
Board.
board
Yeah.
exam. Oh,
It's like a national exam on Korea.
Oh.
You have national exam, right?
Yeah.
It's like that.
Oh.
Local pala.
Kaya kanood ko na ng K-drama tayo.
And you, civil engineering, you planning to work here or the other country?
No, right now we're planning to work
Work.
for 2 years.
Here?
Yes, here.
Just to
And
get
then hopefully
experience.
we go abroad.
Wow. Where? In
Hopefully.
Korea? In Korea?
Hopefully.
Oh yeah. Korea, good.
But I think Japan has more like work when it comes to engineering.
Oh really? Oh, Japan. And you need to study language Japan?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Because if you go Korea, you need to study language Korea also.
Oh yes.
Unlike the America, Canada, no need to study because you good English.
No, we also need to study. We need to pass the IELTS
What is that?
for English proficiency
Oh.
something exam.
Fluently like that?
Yes, like fluently.
But Filipino good in English, huh?
We do.
Yeah. Even the vendor can't speak English, huh? tribal, yeah,
We teach in school, from grade school until college.
yeah, English subject, right?
English subjects.
You teach me Tagalog.
I'll teach you Tagalog.
Yeah.
What do you want to know?
Oh, like saranghe.
Saranghe means in Filipino is mahal kita.
Mahal din kita.
I've got sunshine.
It's a
You have
joke.
breeze. You're like, I will rate you 5.
5-star rating. 5
Oh,
star.
감사합니다. Alam mo po.
Have you been married to Filipino or not?
Hindi po. Yeah, Korean.
Ako
Sabi
also.
yung
Yeah, you heard.
Yeah, but I thought
The one you're
she's,
talking on the phone.
she's Filipino, but he knows Korean.
No, she's a Korean.
She's Korean.
Mm.
Do you have kids?
Hmm?
Do you have kids?
In Korea. Yeah. But actually, I'm originally from North.
Ah,
We're living in North for view. View. Do you know?
yeah, we know. I thought the other nerd.
No. No.
You have such a great sense of humor.
Yes.
My one kid is there now. North for view. Oh,
Not
yeah.
North Korea. Yeah.
좌측 차로로 진행하세요.
Soon you go Korea, you visit Korea. Korea good,
좌측 차로로
beautiful, yeah, beautiful.
Oh, I've heard.
We
There was
will find our Namja Chingu there.
Oh,
Namjoon
Namjoon. Yeah, Namjoon.
Can you recommend someone for my friend?
Yes.
Yeah,
Do you know someone our age?
Kim Jong Un.
No, thank you.
No, no. Who is your favorite Korean actor?
On the spot ako na.
Because a lot of good Korean actor.
Yes.
A lot.
It's hard
a lot.
to choose.
Yun, Woso kasi pinapanood ko kayo.
Like Jungkook, right? Jungkook.
Oh,
Mm.
I'm a fan.
Me, my favorite, Ong Bak,
Who's that?
a Korean actor. Oh, do you know him?
Veteran actor?
Yeah, veteran actor, like fu.
Oh,
Oh yeah, actually, Ong Bak. You heard that? Ong Bak?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Like martial arts?
Yeah, martial arts.
I think I watched that.
Yeah, this is Intramuros, right?
Yes.
A lot of school here. Like
Yes.
this is school. I think this is school.
No.
No.
Wala.
Yeah, I don't know. You good English, huh? Nice talking to you.
Thank you. Yes.
And I hope you successful your
So,
your journey as
yes, thank you.
engineer. And one more year
one more
Yes.
year.
One more year.
at mag-aral kayo ng mabuti.
Sabi na! Sabi na! Nakita ko yung profile niya sa intro.
Ba't i-vlog mo kami?
Parang parang may mali camera dito. Feeling ko ito.
Kuya, ba't di pupunta kami sa
Sabi niya na
TV?
Saan tayo?
Sabi na
Saan tayo dito?
Nasaan sila?
Andito lang. Along dito lang din. Kuya.
Naisahan kayo?
Yes. Yes, opo. Ayaw
So,
na.
it's a prank, no? So, ako po ay isang content creator.
Kuya.
May napanood ka na bang ganon? Kayo?
wala
Ah, so na-prank talaga kayo?
Kasi kuya, yung sticker mo dito Korean eh.
Ang galing.
Tumawag pa kanina.
Pero at least,
Oh,
magaling.
Galing yung English ha. Uy, mag-aral kayong mabuti ha.
Opo, thank you
So,
po.
okay lang ba isama kayo sa content ko?
Okay lang po. Okay lang.
Ito yung camera natin.
Ah, yung pala. Buti pa manood ako ng
Ay,
tatay
isa.
ko.
Yan.
Sabi na eh. Kaya pa ako nagsasalamin dyan, ganun ako ng ganun.
Buti pa panood ako ng tatay ko dito. Sabi, naglalakwat ka pa.
Ay, it's a free ride na.
Ay, no po.
Okay lang po. Okay,
Hindi na.
lang. Mahal-mahal po ng gas. Ang mahal po ng gas.
Hindi na, okay lang po.
Okay lang po.
Nagko-content lang ako dito.
Hindi, okay lang po.
Tanggapin niyo na po na yan dyan.
Okay lang po.
Okay na po.
Ang merienda nyo na lang dyan.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang po yun.
Okay, bibigyan ko na lang kayo nito. Yan, sino may gusto ito malaki?
Yung palig.
Yan, ito. Galing sa The Gifters Garden by AC. Ayan,
Thank you
ito.
po.
So search nyo ako, ito ha, Don
Opo.
Bertos TV ha.
Opo.
So maraming salamat at kamsamida. Teka, ingat kayo dyan ha.
Opo.
Pero ito, kunin nyo na.
Hindi na po. Sige na po.
Oh my G.
Ang mahal
Alam-
po ng gas ngayon.
Lahat
Mahal
ng
po
napaprank
ng
ko,
gas.
free ride.
Hindi.
Kayo lang ang hindi.
Okay lang po. Wala
Okay
po
lang.
ng gas
Oh,
ngayon
oh,
eh.
sige, ayun na. Shoutout sa inyong tatlo. Ano ang pangalan ninyo?
Julia po.
Julia.
Jackie.
Yan, shoutout sa kanilang tatlo. Ang ating bagong biktima. Grabe, good vibes, no?
Opo.
North Purview.
At
saka,
sabi ko na, may nasa viewer siya rin.
ayan, salamat ha.
Opo.
Ingat kayo dyan.
Opo.
Ingat kayo. Mag-aaral kayo ng mabuti.
Opo.
Isang taon na lang.
Yes.
Kayang-kaya yan.
Thank you po. Ingat po kayo.
Oo. Sabi ko, it's a free ride eh. Ang mabait ng mga bata. Shoutout sa mga taga TUP. Kamsahamnida.